I'm Sean Eubanks, Vice President of STRAINWISE Consulting and host of BluntBusinessRadio.com. This week's webinar is called Decarboxylation, Demystified. Join me as I sit down with Shanel Lindsay, founder of Ardent, a Boston-based biotech and medical cannabis device company. Shanel will be sharing with us secrets on how to decarb effectively and safely at home while using her NOVA Decarboxylator. For those of you who are unfamiliar with the benefits of decarbing, it's a way to prepare the plant to get it ready to be into a consumable form so that you can control the dosage every time. This is the future of cannabis consumption, so don't miss this webinar. Now, for BluntBusinessRadio.com, we have Phil Gibson, who is the Vice President of A-Essence Grows. A-Essence Grows is a high-tech producer and manufacturer of products and services dedicated to helping small and large indoor commercial growers of vegetables, flowers, and of course, cannabis. You can download episodes of our show by tuning into iTunes, Stitcher, and now on iHeartRadio, as well as CannabisRadio.com. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you later on this week.